Hello, everybody. We meet again with our SAPAN or Shopon, our dreams, our aspirations. And I begin with the fact that what is the discussions that we're going to be having today is about the health system and the pandemic that is affecting us seriously. And every time we meet, there are a few more people that we've lost. I think in each of our countries in South Asia, we have all lost good friends, mentors, comrades in arms, people we fought together with. Even just last night, I got a message about somebody a few days back we got. So I think in each country there has been, and if we start counting everyone, it just becomes a great deal. I would just like to mention one person who has been a mentor to most journalists in Pakistan, Ghazi Salahuddin, who lost 3 of his siblings within 3 weeks because of Corona. And while I was reviewing Ghazi Salahuddin's his bio, I found that his sister was the first PhD in nuclear science in Pakistan. We lost her too. So it's a lot of people that we keep losing. I also want to mention that somebody who was supposed to speak today, and I really was interested in wanting to hear him, Dr. Haroon Ahmed, psychiatrist from Karachi, is unable to join us today as he's unwell. And I just wanted to say the reason I was really keen to meet him is when we were young, when I was a child studying in school in Karachi, the government dispensary near our house, there was a young doctor who had just passed out of medical college called Dr. Haroon. Later on, I met Anis Haroon, Dr. Haroon's partner, and I related the story, and she said, yes, he used to be in Garden Road in Karachi. And then she asked him, and he did remember us. So I thought, this is, 60 years or more, 65 years. So I would like to just wish that we could have heard him, but we wish him good health and that he recovers as soon as he can. We will now have a moment of silence to commemorate our mentors and leaders whose vision we are taking forward, and hope that those who are suffering get well, those who are well remain well and continue to do the work that they are doing, and to express our condolences and share the grief of the families and friends of those we lost to COVID in all our countries and other causes, not just COVID, post-COVID, and other causes over the past month. There is no way we can memorialize everybody. We would have liked to have done that, but we just have a short presentation, which is only symbolic and nothing more. So a moment of silence, please. I think we can continue.